My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove a ransomware called DeepInDeep. First of all, I want to tell you that my video is only for educational purposes. Unfortunately, I cannot help you to recover the files, but I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data, at least some of your files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this DeepInDeep ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this ransomware. It is called like that because it also appends this DeepInDeep extension to the file names, and it is then impossible to use the files. Removing this additionally appended extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. And also, it would first of all most likely update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way, your data would always be protected from all further ransomware or malware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.